And you know that one of the countries which is against the Muslims, that is India, which is being ruled by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. You know, just a couple of months back, to win the election, he took my name 9 times in less than 2 minutes. MashaAllah. The Prime Minister of India to come back to power, taking the name of Zakir Naik, his accent. 9 times in a span of less than 2 minutes. Allahu Akbar. I did not know that I was so important that for him to come back to power, he had to take my name 9 times. MashaAllah. I did not know that I was so important.
भी तरह रोका जाए, मोदी को हटाया जाए, इसके लिए आतंक के आका दुआ मांग रहे हैं, दुआ। श्रीलंका में जो बम धमाके हुए थे, उसके बाद वहां की सरकार ने, श्रीलंका की सरकार ने जकीर नाइक के टीवी चैनल पर बैन लगाने का फैसला किया, अभी पिछले 2-3 दिन में। क्या आप जानते हैं कि ये जकीर नाइक है कौन? श्रीलंका में बम ब्लास्ट हुए, 300 लोग मारे गए, और श्रीलंका ने जो कदम उठाए हैं उसमें जकीर नायक के टीवी चैनल पे प्रतिबंध लगाया। ये जकीर नाइक कौन है भाई? ये वही जकीर नाइक है जिसके दरबार में जाकर दिग्गी राजा उसकी तारीफ करते नहीं थकते थे। ये वही जकीर नाइक है जिसको कांग्रेस की सरकार ने, आप ये सुनकर के चौंक जाएंगे, इन लोगों ने देश कैसे चलाया है। इसी जकीर नाइक को भारत सरकार ने, कांग्रेस की सरकार ने हमारे देश के पुलिस अफसरों को संबोधित करने के लिए बुलाया था, और वो भी आतंकवाद के मुद्दे पर। भाइयों बहनों, जिस जकीर नाइक के शब्द पाकिस्तान में बम धमाके करवाते हैं और उसके श्रीलंका में बम धमाके करवाते हैं, श्रीलंका को उसकी टीवी चैनल बंद करनी पड़ती है। उस जकीर नाइक को हिंदुस्तान में दिग्गी राजा जैसे लोग कंधे पर बिठा करके।
In India, about 2 years and 4 months back, in November 2016, they banned the organization. I'll come to my organization afterwards. And the present Prime Minister, the Narendra Modi, I would like to thank him. He's the Prime Minister now. Elections are going on. After 1.5 months, whether he remains or not, Allahu Alam. Allahu Alam. Maybe, may not be, I don't know. But presently, he's the Prime Minister. The government is so much against me, they spend tens of millions of dollars to propagate against me on the television channels, in the newspaper, that Zakir is a terrorist. He's promoting terrorism. And they could not find hate speech. Then they say money laundering. And so many years, I'm giving everything clearly to the income tax. This is what I earn. I'm an NRI, non-resident Indian from Dubai. No questions asked. Now when the government is against me, now they're saying money laundering. They're laying allegations. They're laying allegations, public fund, misuse. Get me one person, not to one person, with a receipt who has given any money to the organization, and that was not used for the activity. But why do I thank Modi? Why? The reason is, that previously, maybe 2/3, 65% of the Muslim knew me, and maybe about 10% of non-Muslim did not. 10% non-Muslim knew me. Now, after spending millions of dollars in propaganda against me through television channels for his vote bank, today, mashallah, more than 90% of the Muslims in India know me, and more than 2/3 of the non-Muslims know me. Previously, maybe 15% of Indians knew me. Now, more than 2/3 know me, alhamdulillah. Those who had seen my lectures before, what are they doing? They are doing du'as for me. May Allah save this da'i of Islam. May Allah give them jazak khair. Those who don't know me, have not seen my lecture, they get influenced by the media and they're cursing me. Now, when someone curses you wrongly, our beloved Prophet said, it benefits you. If someone curses you wrongly, on the day of judgment, what will happen? I will get his good deeds. If his good deeds are over, my bad deeds will go to him. Prophet. So I'm thanking Modi. Now there are millions of people doing dua for me. MashaAllah. Those who knew me. There are bigger number of people who are cursing me. Both ways I'm benefiting. هذا من فضل ربي.